You are going to have to turn in your website one time. And what I mean by that is you're going to copy the link from your website and then put it in your notebook on Teams. So here I'm just back at Wix. I just logged in and I have my DJ Turntable website. What I can do is right here I have my website link. So I can just go ahead and select this and copy it. Another way you can get this is I can go to my site and I can go to Site Actions here and edit Site. I'll wait for it to load. And once I'm here, I can go up to Publish. And then my link is right here as well. And I can view site, and this will open it in the browser. Either way, this website link will be the same, and this is published for the whole world to see actually. So I'm going to copy this by just having it selected. You can right click and copy, or I just did Control C. And then you will want to go to Teams, and in your class notebook, each one of you already has a page. It's called DJ Turntable website. So I'm just in Olives here, and all you need to do is you just need to go down here, and somewhere in here you need to paste it. And then that way it'll always update, so whenever you make changes and save and publish your website, it'll update, and when I go to grade these every week, I will just go to the class notebook and click your link. So there's going to be nothing for you that you'll need to actually turn in. And that's all you need to do for that.